Hey guys, I have a really important announcement, a really important thing, a really important milestone. There's a word for you, milestone. It's a big event for something. We have the very first Burlington English module test that was finished on Schoology for Ava ever. Okay, this is cool. This is really cool. And I'm going to do it because I want to show you what you will do when you take a unit test. So I'm going to share my screen and I am going to go here. So this is what Burlington English looks like. I'm sorry, this is what Schoology looks like for me. This is my Schoology account. I'm the teacher. Okay. And I wanted to show you what, if I go into level 4, because I happen to know somebody in level 4 finished a module test. So when you do a unit, finish a unit in Burlington English, then you will go to Schoology and you will take a module. You will take a module test on that unit. For example, I just want to show you here. This is Burlington English level 4. So here's a test module for uh, module 1, unit 1 in Burlington English, which is personal information, unit level 4. So I click on that, and I wanted to show you what the test looks like so you can see it. It's 30 questions. It's mostly grammar. So Pedro blank at a restaurant every day. Works, working, don't work. So I happen to know that it's works. So I'm going to click next. Anyway, when you do this, when you get to that point and you're ready, you will go on to Schoology and you'll see that there are 15. I'm going to go all the way to the end here. There are 30 questions altogether, and then you will submit it. Okay. The reason I bring you together for this is because the first person has submitted a unit test for Burlington English level 4, level 5, and her name is, I'm going to go to the grade. I want you guys to go on Burlington English and start doing the units, right? And when you do, they don't have to be perfect. You just have to do them. You just have to engage in them, right? And you don't have a password for Burlington, I will give you one. And if you don't have a password for Schoology, the LAUSD SSO, I will give you one. So, because I want all of you guys to start hitting the books, get on there on Burlington and on Schoology and start producing for us so we can make this a success. And also, but the main reason is so that you can learn more English. Oh, okay. I forgot to tell you the reason it's so important for you to get hours is attendance hours, because that's how you pass the level, right? So right now you're in level 4, let's say, example, and then you do the whole 10 units of Burlington English level 4. And every time you finish a unit, you go to Schoology and you take a unit test, and then you get 10 hours. And when you get 100 hours, you go to level 5. It's incredible. It's like magic. Okay, but all you got to do is do it. Okay, guys, I love you. I really do. And I'm not just joking. I'm not just saying that. I don't say it to everybody. Okay. And I want you to have a really nice weekend. And my wife and I are going hiking right now in Malibu. We have a wonderful hike that we do. My wife is making a little a picnic, little vegan picnic. And we're going to be thinking about you guys. Well, she's not, but I will. We'll be thinking about you guys working away on Schoology and Burlington English. Bye. Have a good weekend. Okay, guys. Bye bye.